Hey Tesla fans, today I'm going to show you a must-have accessory to get once you take delivery of your brand new Tesla Model Y. Give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned. We're going to take the Model Y from looking like this to this. Just look at those mud flaps. They make the Model Y look a whole lot better. Plus, these are going to offer a whole lot of protection. So while driving, you shouldn't have that mud and the dirt just kicking up on the side of the car right there and causing damage to the paint. These are very easy to install. I'll have the instructions at the end of this video on how to install it. But just look at that. So nice. Man, if you guys want to pick these up, I'll add a link to them in the pinned comment and the description below. Also, if you want to check out these accessories that I have right here, these carbon fiber pieces, I'll link to them below as well. Alright, so you use a screwdriver and you pop these two out from right there. In the packaging, you also get this toolkit. So let's go ahead and take the rest out from under here. Alright, so in order to get the bolt out, this one that's under here, I find it much easier to use my own tool rather than the one that comes in the package. So you also need to screw this little piece off right here, which is right up in here. And I guess that's gonna come here somewhere. So once I fit it up, you guys will see how it looks. Alright, so now we have the back piece completely on. You do the same thing for the opposite side. Now let's go ahead and do the front. Okay, now let's do the front. We're gonna remove those two clips right there and put it on. Alright, so for the front, you're gonna wanna have this lip piece right here just slide in between right here. So it should be like this. Let me see. Something like that. Okay, and then you can put the clips in and you're gonna take this piece right here that comes in the package and slide it over this. So let's get that set up. All right, there we go. Now we have it installed. I'm gonna go ahead and install the next side off camera. If you guys are in the market for a new Tesla, please consider using my referral link. That will save you up to $1,000 off a brand new Tesla. Plus you'll get up to 3 months of full self-driving. You can't beat that deal, so definitely check it out. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel for more Tesla Model Y content. Peace out.